Hello guys, so just want to share a real quick hack for you. You know, sometimes like you're at the gym and you hear a song you really like but you don't know what it's called, and maybe you don't want to go up to the counter and ask. I mean, they might not even know anyway. I found one good thing to do: get your phone, put it on camera, and you want to get as close to the music as you can, so it's as loud as you can, and simply just point your camera at the wall or point it at some weight plates, whatever, doesn't matter, and record for like 20 or 30 seconds. Just make a video for 20, 30 seconds. It doesn't matter what you record, you can just record the bare wall, doesn't matter. But make sure that your phone is very close to the music as you can get, so it's nice big and loud, so that your phone will pick up on it. And record for about 20 or 30 seconds, and then later, what you want to do is you want to upload that video on YouTube. Now, YouTube do checks, so if you have background music, YouTube will check up on it. So before it will let you upload it, it will do them checks. And I tend to find that when it does them checks, when it finds music in the background or what it calls copyrighted material, it's going to pick up on that, and when it does, it's going to tell you what the copyrighted material is. So it will tell you the name of the song. I used this just the other day. Actually, there was a song that I really liked. I didn't know what it was called, so I just did a video for about 30 seconds, uploaded it on YouTube, and then the checks come up and it said copyrighted material in your video. Boom, there was the name of the song and there was the name of the artist that sung it. Simple. Okay, so just to give you a little demonstration of what I'm talking about, this is my strongman training vlog that I uploaded before, and if you'll see where you've got details at the top and video elements, so if you go to checks and click on that, it will tell me that a copyright claim has been found on my video. So click on see details, and at the different points of the video you'll see where YouTube picked up on the copyright claims, and these are the list of songs where YouTube has flagged them. So if you click on this particular video here, if you click on this section of the video, I can see that the song is called Headstrong by TRAPT, so I know the name of the song and the artist that sung it. Another example, if I click on this video and listen to the music, it doesn't matter if I don't know what the song is, because it will tell me right there this song is Kickstarts by example. So there we have it. That's pretty much how you use YouTube to basically find the name of a song you don't know you don't know what it's called. Okay, so I hope this helps. Don't forget to like the video. Let me know what you think in the comments and if this method has worked for you.